Do you want to know how to make zucchini fritters that are perfectly crispy on the outside and then baked to perfection? A healthy zucchini fritters recipe that is made with grated zucchini, Parmesan cheese, fresh garlic, and can be served as an appetizer or a side dish. Hey there, my name is Len Brazil from evolvingtable.com, where you'll learn how to make nourishing meals for your loved ones. And that healthy recipe today are these crispy zucchini fritters. During my first few attempts at trying to make zucchini fritters, I either came out with super soggy in the middle or charred black on the outside zucchini fritters. And then I started experimenting and learned a few simple steps and techniques that will get you perfectly crispy zucchini fritters every single time. If you're ready to get to cooking, come on in and let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We'll first start off by preparing 1.5 pounds of zucchini. It is best to weigh your zucchini to ensure you have the right amount, but 1.5 pounds typically equals about 3 medium-sized zucchini. Just like in this chocolate zucchini bread recipe, you can either use a food processor with a grating attachment or a handheld box grater. The processor is by far my favorite since it's large, super quick to use, and produces similarly sized zucchini. So let's just go ahead and stick with it for today. Trim the stems of the zucchini and cut into 4 pieces. Finally, grate the zucchini using a food processor. Next, you'll want to grab either a cheesecloth, like this one, or a thin dish towel. Either one of these will work extremely well, so just use whatever you happen to have on hand. Simply lay the grated zucchini out in a flat layer and sprinkle with 1 teaspoon of salt. And then simply wait for the magic to happen. After about 10 to 15 minutes, tiny bubbles will start coming to the surface, thus releasing any excess moisture the zucchini is holding. Wrap the zucchini tightly and wring out all the moisture you can. You should end up with about 1 cup of excess liquid and 1 cup of packed grated zucchini. In a large bowl, combine that 1 cup of packed zucchini with half a cup of flour. I'll be using a gluten-free 1-to-1 flour blend today. Add 1/4 cup Parmesan cheese, 1 large egg, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix ingredients until well combined. And if you have kiddos, this next step might be a little fun to get them involved in the process. Form 8 equally sized balls that are about 2 to 3 tablespoons each. There we go. Since we'll be popping our zucchini fritters into the oven, you'll want to make sure to use either a well-seasoned cast iron skillet or some other type of oven-safe skillet. Add 1 tablespoon of oil along with 4 of the zucchini fritter balls. Smash each zucchini ball with the back of a spatula. If your zucchini fritters are sticking to the back of your spatula, you can always just spritz it with a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. Sear zucchini fritters for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until browned. Repeat with remaining 4 zucchini balls. Place all zucchini fritters back into the skillet and bake in the preheated 350 degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. It's zucchini fritter time! Oh my goodness, these look so crispy, ultra fluffy. They can be served as a side dish for just about any recipe or as cute little appetizers for a party. I'm just gonna top this one right here with a little dollop of dairy-free sour cream, as well as a sprinkle of chives, or you can use green onions. Time for a big bite, oh yeah. Man, Cole is gonna be so excited when he gets home from work and sees that these zucchini fritters are ready and waiting for him.
Make a little zucchini fritter sandwich. It's like an Oreo, but better. That's nice.
If you liked what you saw here today, make sure you check out these other healthy zucchini recipes. And don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up below. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another nourishing meal to serve your loved ones. See you again soon.